In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in an Excel sheet. So I have an Excel sheet here. I have some data here and 3 columns are listed here. It's the best historical cities with a bio of the city and a rank number. Now, as you can see, the text, for example, Washington, D.C., it's in this column, but most of the text is hidden. When I click on it, you can see it here. If I double click on it, so these are all the texts for the city of Washington, D.C. And as you can see, the text covers this whole area. Now I want the text to be visible to the viewer. Whoever is looking at this spreadsheet, I want them to see the text, and I don't want the text to be hidden. So there's a function in Excel called wrap text. So to do that, I'm going to highlight the bio text for Washington, D.C. And you want to make sure you're on the home tab here, and on the right side you want to click on wrap text. So when I click on wrap text, text is wrapped in the column, and the text does not go beyond the column. It stays within the width of the column, and this is how it looks. So the viewer can see everything in the column. Now if I want to wrap text the entire column here, not just one by one, so all I have to do is highlight the entire column and click on wrap text. So now everything is wrap text in the B column, and I'm just going to zoom out here to show you. So this is how it shows. Now you can also decrease the font size. So if I do that, this is how it shows, and if you like it to be shown this way, that's fine. Now as you can see, for example, on the city bio of Washington, D.C., all the texts are in one. There are no paragraphs, there are no line breaks. I want to create a line break that separates the entire bio of Washington, D.C. here into two. So if I place my cursor here, I want to create a line break there. But if I hit the enter key on the keyboard, it does not create a space there. Instead, it goes to the other cell. So what I want to do, I want to create a line break here. I want to create a space here. So in order to do that, I have to use the keyboard shortcut. I have to hold down the Alt key and hit the enter key on the keyboard. So I have to do it again. Hold down the Alt key and hit the enter key. That's how it shows. So I created a line break here, and it looks better. So on a Mac, you use the Option and Return key. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.